Greetings and welcome to Cookery with Mason Storm. Today we're making Larry Lawton's prison pasta. Although we're going to use conventional cooking methods and not use the stinger and cutting things with razor blades because that is crazy. So to begin with, I've got olive oil, garlic cloves. I think I got about 10 or so of these. And I'm going to be using some Kalebasa sausage and of course spaghetti. To begin our process, we're going to make an infused garlic. So I simply add the olive oil and garlic to a vessel that I will initiate cooking protocols on to infuse the flavor of the garlic into the oil. Larry Lawton, when he makes his, does it in the microwave, but I'm doing the more traditional method of doing it on the old stovetop. So we simply place it on. Nice kind of low heat. I actually lowered it from where I had it here in the footage. And you kind of got to watch it. You kind of want a little bit of a light rumbling boil. And you want to pull it off before it's as dark as mine. And now we're going on to our second part, our kalebasa. So I simply peel the skin and slice it into fine slices. Get out the old cast iron pan. Nice medium heat. A little bit of olive oil down on the bottom. Might as well get our water boiling at the same time. And we're simply going to place our kalebasa in the pan and we're going to begin frying it to a crisp. And by the time it fries to a crisp, hopefully our water is boiling at the same time and we can kind of get all the stars to align so that we're able to eat a meal of consistent thermal values, which is just incredible. Something that I really enjoy as, I guess, a cook. I don't know, someone that eats food. I guess that's everybody. So we're going to cook our pasta. Spaghetti, it's usually about 7 minutes or so to get to al dente, but get it in the pot. Check it in, 5-7 minutes. See where it is. You need a couple more minutes. Go for it. But once that's all done, we're simply going to drain off our noodles, which is different than Larry did his. He kind of did this thing where he kind of just pulled them out and served it. I guess things are different in prison, but I've got a strainer, so I'm going to make use of it. There we go. Now we can begin our final assembly of our pasta product. Get your plate ready. Get a nice scoop of noodles on. Toss on some of our infused garlic for fabulous enjoyment. And then we're going to simply add in our meat on top. And there we go. We got ourselves our prison pasta. I really enjoyed this one. I thought it tasted pretty good. Maybe prison isn't as bad as you think it is, but you watch enough of his videos, it looks pretty darn bad. So until next time, stay awesome. Try this and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.